Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kamrul Islam. I am from Bangladesh, but I am living out of country like Europe. So last few years, I just feel that my hair are losing. So because before 3 years ago, my hair was too good. Just it's for looking. Because for the man or woman, very important thing is the hair. So I have planning to transplant my hair. Then I think where I can do this. Then I search online. It's like most good hair transplantation in the world now. I think it's Turkey. So I don't have time to visit Turkey. Then I have planned to come my country Bangladesh. After that I came here. I think last 2 months ago. Then I have planning to visit new hair roots. Why I am choosing new hair roots? Because I don't have time to visit other country. Then I search online, YouTube or Google. We have hair transplantation clinic or not in our country like Bangladesh. Then I saw 3 or 4 clinics for the hair transplantation. Then I just searched who is most famous hair transplantation clinic in Bangladesh. Then I saw so many videos. I think Jamal Bhuiyan, who is very good footballer for Bangladesh team, and so many celebrities and so many normal person, they complete their hair transplantation from here. Then I saw after next video they have good results after 6 months or 5 months. I think if I have to transplantation my hair, I'll go other country and I have to visit. I need to get visa. I don't have enough time to go there. Then I choose Bangladesh. Then I come here, visit doctor. I was talking with doctor. I have problem like this, and doctor say your back donation area is not too good, and yeah, we can take it. Then I asked doctor when I can start it. Then doctor asked me when you wanna leave your country, like when you finish your vacation. Then I told him I think my vacation finish will be 15 December. Then doctor say okay, if you like this, and you can come 1st of December, 2nd of December. Then I chose 3rd of December for my operation. Then I collaborate with them about price and about everything, how will be operation and how long it will take, and they said to me like it's take 5 or 6 hours. Then I came yesterday with my one cousin. Also there is one funny thing, my cousin was telling me, why you are spending your money for the hair transplant? It's normal, it's natural, you can stay without hair. Then I told him it's important for the man because we are working out of country, sometime office, somewhere. So he was laughing with me. His name is Joshim. I think he will see the video. So he came with me, and he was staying outside. So from my own experience, it's like awesome. The staffs are so friendly. And the doctors was talking with me when operation time. I am okay. If I have problem, they said okay, we'll take break, and if you want to go washroom, everything is like awesome. It's originally my own experience. They are not telling to me anything, and they said, sorry, do you like to give an interview? I told him okay, it's normal, because I am so happy here come. I mean my treatment, and yesterday they finished, and today they just washed my head, and I didn't feel anything hard, or it's normal. If someone want to make hair transplant, I think it's not serious things. It's normal, and there is no any side effect. For me, this is my very good experience. Thank you so much. Thank you, New Hair Roots. Thank you so much.